Blooom Robo-advisor honest review. Blooom is a robo-advisor that focuses on managing employers' sponsored retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAS. And here are the key features about the platform, which is automated management for retirement accounts, personalized investment recommendation, analyze hidden fields to optimize returns, and also access to human financial advisors. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, which is the most favorable part of this platform, no account minimum, so which means anyone can join, and also flat transparent pricing, no percentage fee, support a varieties of money retirement accounts, and also fiduciary standard, which acts in your best interest. And here's the downside: only for retirement accounts, no taxable account, and also limited by your employees plan option, and also no tax loss harassment for extra tax benefit. And here's the final verdict: Blooom is a great if you need help optimizing your 401ks or IRA without complicated fees. If you are looking for a broader investment management or advanced tax strategies, it might not be the best fit.